Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on MEXC. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, we throw our mouse right here and then we fill in BTC and then we find this right here. Then we click right there on Bitcoin and now we are having here the Bitcoin chart. If you want to create ourselves a position, we go right here to the right place because this is the other place. And then we fill right here how much USD of Bitcoin we want to buy. So let's buy 500 USD Bitcoin. You can also throw this button where you want. So let's say if you want to buy 5% of Bitcoin, we can throw it right there. And then you can do on risk management if you want to do that by simply clicking right here on take profit or stop loss if you want to do that. And then from now, just click here on open long. Now you see right here that we will buy a 2.4 US dollar position. Click on open long, and then if we scroll down right now, you see right here that we created ourselves a position for Bitcoin. So this is how you can Bitcoin on MEXC. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.